Thank you, the Executive Chairman of Jos North Local Government, Plateau State. Currently in Nigeria, there are a lot of insecurity challenges. What do you think is the appropriate measure of tackling these insecurities?
Yes, of course, each and every society has its own peculiar problems. An entity called Nigeria, it's true, we have such issues of insecurity. But I feel the best way to tackle issues of insecurity is all the citizens should know that issues of security are responsibilities for all. Because you can see the personnel we have, the shortage of personnel, and yet the population is growing and the rate of crime is even growing. While the government is doing all its possible best to tackle issues of insecurity, still the crime is rising. So I feel that it should be a collective responsibilities, particularly community policy. People in the community, all citizens, should put hands on deck to ensure that they have tackled issues of security by reporting, by actually reporting, even if it is your son, your daughter, or even your grandchild, should be reported to the appropriate authority. I feel that the way that the parents are shielding their children also contribute a lot of issues of security here in Nigeria. So it has to be unbiasedly tackled and should be collectively. Thank you.
2023. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
We have many aspirants aspiring for position, and each and every one of them have their own concept. They have their own backgrounds, and most of them have made a very luxurious promises which they think and they know that they cannot fulfill. So what promise and what plan do you have for Plateau?
Well, thank you very much. I think first of all, leadership belongs to God. It is God who ordains leaders, and therefore I subject myself to the guidance of God to be able to do what I need to do. However, there are constituted means of providing development, and those means that you need to provide development are things that require a leader. So the question then is that what are the qualities of that leader? And I believe that a leader is one that is supposed to know the way, meaning that I know exactly what the policy thrust is of this administration. I know the best practices of all past administrations that have been elected. And therefore, I need to figure out how I'm going to bring this together in order to put it on a developmental plan, being a developer myself. So you need to know the way. The second thing is that a leader needs to show the way. You cannot do it all alone. And that is why for us in the APC, we have a symbol of a broom to show that one single strand of broom cannot sweep. So it is a totality, collectively, together, that will be able to move the state forward. Therefore, any promise is based on the fact that collectively you will show the way as the leader. And finally, the leader must go the way. It means that if I say that I'm going to do something, look at my antecedents. If I say I'm going to provide jobs, all the places I have worked, what have I done for Plateau? You need to look at that. So a leader must know the way, show the way, and must also go the way. In the midst of all the challenges of Plateau, my commitment is to be with the people, to utilize the resources efficiently and effectively for the good of the people. Do you want specific promises? I'll build hospitals, I'll build roads? No, that's not something to begin to talk about. But I know the gaps that are there in the state, and I know that I have the capacity to be able, under the leadership of God and with the support of people, provide a leadership that will enable all of us deliver on the developmental goals of Plateau.